Hi Gineers! Welcome to the Ginee channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or upload products on Shopee. Come on, let's start the tutorial, Gineers! The first step is to integrate your Shopee store first. You can integrate Shopee stores in Indonesia, Vietnam, Philippines, Malaysia, and Singapore. After that, click Channel Product and select Shopee. Then on this page, click Add Product. Next is to select the Shopee store where you want to upload the product. Oh yes, you can actually upload the same product to multiple Shopee stores at the same time, Gineers. Now, after selecting the store, you can continue by filling in the required product details, such as the product category, brand, and other basic information. Once you're done with the basic information, if your product has variations, you can fill in the product variant type under the product information column. You can also mass edit the product prices, stocks, and SKU names. Once done, you can proceed to the media settings. You can upload the product and variation images here by clicking this box. You can also upload images all at once. It's also possible to drag the photos to place it according to the sequence you want. After you have uploaded the product images, you can proceed to the shipping settings. First, fill in the package size, then continue by selecting the shipping logistics option. If you still want to edit the product details, you can click the Save as Draft button. But if you're done with everything, you can post it by clicking Publish. The product will now be listed in your Shopee store. Very easy, right, Gineers? Good luck!